so now we're going to get into the Service Autopilot app. So you can see what that looks like. You can see how this works on a phone. It's going to be called Manage Service. We're going to get right back in and go into this account I just created. We're going to have all the same features. We're going to have home, what we owe, which is nothing currently, billing. This is going to show past paid invoices. This is going to show everything on an easy app right on your phone. If you want to add a bank account, if you want to add a debit card, you can do any of these things to pay through. And honestly, this is so new to me, I didn't even know we had the opportunity to do ACH drafts. So now there's an ACH link in this as well. Services, here's where you're going to see all the current services and the past ones that have been performed. And then to finish it up, more information. Now it's set up to have face recognition to unlock your phone, unlock the app, and keep everything private and safe, and then you're able to update everything from here. So here, all the way from the back end of being on the computer, being able to log on to your account, to on your phone, we are dedicated to making sure it's a seamless service for you with our technology and connecting it so you know exactly what's going on between your services and your billing at all time.